Everyone. We are from GrowWithSkills. I'm an instructor, Siddiqui Muhammad Abdul Muqtadir. Uh, Today we are going to the course name is Fusion 360 Basics. I'm going to teach you Autodesk Fusion 360, and you haven't known me before the sessions. Today the objective of the session is to how to install the Fusion 360 and enroll for a license of Autodesk student. And getting started with Fusion 360 and overview of interface. Am I audible? Okay. So the question is where to get the Fusion 360. First of all, you just have to Google search it, Autodesk Fusion 360, and open the first link, which is as shown in the presentation. The download Autodesk Fusion 360. Then after clicking the link, you will get this second page, which is shown here. Wait a minute. It is shown here. This page will be occurred. This page will appear. Okay, so you have to click on the Get Fusion 360 button. Okay, so just listen it now, and if you don't have any systems or PC, so you can install it later. We will provide the recording of this session, so there won't be a problem. Okay. So after clicking the Get Fusion 360 button, this page will occur, which shows that the Fusion 360 is free for student and educators. Fusion 360 cloud-based 3D CAD CAM software for students and educators. There is a message that which shows that get a free education license. Instructions, you can read the instructions or either skip it. The step one is to sign in or create an account. If you are new to the Autodesk, then you have to create the account or either sign in. If you already have the account, I'll show you how to apply for the license, or either you can go for creating the account. The next image is shown after you sign in. There is there is my name already. I have signed in and taken the screenshot for you guys. After you sign in, then this only then this page will appear, and if you are going to create the account, then I'll show you what is going to be. This is for applying for license and also for creating the new account. First, it will ask you about your country, territory, or region. You have to select India. Education role is, listen carefully, education role should be student, not the educator or anything. If you want the license for free, the student, the you should you have to select the student only. Institution type, as you are in university or in a post secondary, means you are under graduation, then you have to select the university or post secondary, and your date of and you have to put your date of birth. It is just you, they are just taking the date of birth to getting assured that you are 18 plus. Okay, so here is the creating account. The After you click the next button, this screen will appear. Create account. You have to put your first name, your last name, your email id. You have to confirm your email id, and also and also check this points in your passwords, that it have to be fulfilled until and unless your id won't be created. You have to tick this and create and click on this button. After clicking on this button, the next slide, you can see this next images you can see. After creating the account verification is going to be sent on your email ID which you have put, and you have to click on it and verify your account on your Gmail ID. After clicking the done button, here this page will occur which shows the account verified. After verification, and you have to click this done button. Just one more step is remaining. It is going to ask you about your education or institution. So if you are from Devguri Institute, there is already registered on it, and if you are from different institute, you have to search it, and if it is not there, you have to apply for the institution registration, and it will take around 14 to 15 days for registration of your institution, and then you can register your and then you can assign your ID to your institution, and then your license will and then you will get the your license. Okay, so if you are from engineering, so you have to tick this area of study. And if you want to design a product design and manufacturing, which is for the Fusion 360, you have to click for this button, for this box. You have to enroll from this question is for when you have enrolled for your undergraduate course, means when you have enrolled for your degree course. So you have to put when you have taken the admission, in which month and in which year, and and in which year or in which month you will going to be graduate in the future. Like, yeah, if you are from third year now, then you will going to be graduate in 2022. After clicking the next, your account will be set. That's it, and you will get a mail of your email of your license verification. It will take around uh, 1 week or 2 weeks to get your license activated. And after clicking on the continue button, you will get this screen you will get this screen where you can download the Fusion 360 and install it on your systems. Okay, getting started with Fusion 360. All of the designs in the presentation are prepared on the Fusion 360. Fusion 360 is capable of simulation, rendering, surface generation, and many things. uh, if you want to do, you can do all of this stuff by only one software. In all the other softwares which claim that they are the design softwares, have different softwares. Like, if you are using ANSYS or CATIA, it will give you a design software shortcut different, and a sketching software different, and simulation will be in a different shortcuts. That's it. But in the Fusion 360 itself, you can change you can do all of the things only in only in a one software. You don't have to import or export your parts to the different interface. You can read this. The Fusion 360 is a cloud based it is a cloud based software. As cloud based means you can save the components on a cloud, as you are working in a team and your teammate is going to assemble some of the part, and he is in the foreign country, and you can't send his with the email. You can send him with the email, but as he have to open it, and some of the parts will be suppressed or disappeared as after saving it in the IGES or step format. IGES and step formats uh, are the formats which is universally accessible. It is a design formats dot extensions, which you can say. It is a universal extensions, and it uh, doesn't allow all of the components to be saved. Some of the parts of the component would be disappeared, and the person have to draw it again. So Fusion 360 allows you to cloud based, and you can easily access without any problem. Why Fusion 360? Push the limit with 3D modeling. Don't let your current tool dictate your workflow. Engineer your products. That's what I have said you, that you don't have to change the softwares to change the interfaces. You can just click on the design, and I will show you how to change the interfaces in the Fusion 360. Solve engineering challenges faster. Simulations and other manufacturing and animations is only in itself, and you can do it as faster than other softwares, and it is user friendly, and it is best. I think it is the best software for the beginners to learn about the design, and as the AutoCAD and different softwares are much constraints, but the Fusion 360 is much more flexible and user friendly for the beginners. Avoid overpriced simulation tools like ANSYS. ANSYS takes around 2 lakhs for the for the educators license, and the Fusion is giving you a free license for the students. The explore features. These are the features of the Fusion 360 in a single software. You can design, you can 3D model. Electronics is also available, PLC softwares and different software rendering softwares, which is going to be used for the electronic engineer. Data management, collaboration, which I have said you about the cloud based. Rapid prototyping make faster surface formation is there. That's why the prototype is formed quicker. Generative design, simulation, analysis. Simulation means analysis of the component. Documentation includes animation and manufacturing. You can do the CAM in the manufacturing, and manufacturing extensions. Okay, so I am going to show you the interface of the Fusion 360 today, and give you an overview of the Fusion. Okay, so this is the interface of the Fusion 360. When you start the Fusion 360, it will show this screen after the loading. As you as you can see, there is a browser where you can see the parts which we have uh, called in the design. This is the interface. This is the grid or the plane section where you have to design. Okay. Hmm. This is the plane section where you have to design. These are the tools which you going to use for the design, and this is where you can change the interface. We are it is generally open. It generally opens in design. You can change it. Okay, so there is a browser where you can see where is the parts or what are the parts you have called in the design. And this is the timeline is an interesting thing which Fusion 360 has given, where how you have made the design. It shows it shows how you have made the designs, from including from the sketch to the assembly. And if you click on this play button, so you can see uh, all of the animation, that how you have sketched, designed, and extruded it, and uh, much more things. There is a setting, and this cube is the uh, top view, side view, and front view, where you can uh, click on which you can click and see on which view you have to see. Okay, I'm going to show you the tools. First of all, I am going to show you the interfaces. This is the design interface, design workspace, where you can sketch, design, and extrude and assemble. This is the rendering part, where you can give the component an aesthetic look and assign the material to look how it's going to be appear in the. Someone has opened his mic. Where was I? Okay. This is the rendering where you can see how the component is going to be appear in the real world, by assigning the background and and assigning the material to the components. As you can see, it's showing a holder of a wood and a steel component. There is an animation where you can animate all of your components which you have drawn in the design interface, and play it and can see how it's going to be rotate or reciprocate or assemble. This is the simulation interface, simulation workspace, where you can check check the forces and pressures and much more things, and do the analysis, where the analysis software for this simulation is ANSYS, but you can do this any simulation is also on the Fusion 360 as well. And Fusion 360 has a good simulation, not not good, but having a better simulation than other softwares. Manufacturing, where you can see how the part is going to be manufactured, like in the CNC machine you have to put some codes to do the machining. But if you are a designer, or what is the purpose of the designer is, you can generate the codes automatically by putting the component, as as you are want to groove, or you want to turning operation on a cylinder. So you can do it on the Fusion 360 and copy the codes and put it in the CNC machine, and it will going to be run. This is the drawing where you can see. Wait a minute. This is the drawing section interface. You guys are familiar with this. Where it's taking time to open. Okay, it's not opening because there is no model. This The drawing from the design. This drawing is the orthographic projections which you guys are making in your practical labs. The top view, front view, and side view. The first angle projection and second angle projection, you can create it on the Fusion 360 and can print it. Yes, and the software needs the internet connection as well. As this is a cloud-based software, you have to connect it to the internet, and once you have connected to the internet, you can turn off the internet and do the designing. But if you want to save the design, you need the internet. So where was I? Drawing which you draw on the sheet, full imperial and half imperial. You can select the full imperial and half imperial sheet as well here. As you can see, A4 size, A3 size is the full imperial sheet, and A4 is the printing page which you use for the printers. There is a units in inches and mm. The standard is ISO and ASME. The template is from the scratch. Template means there is a name section, there is a table which shows that the name, class, division. It is the template. You can create the template by yourself, or you can take the template which is default from the Fusion 360. You have to select the design from the you have to select the design. As there will be a design, you have to click on this button and select the design. I'll show you a proper model, and then we'll wait. Okay, this is the component. It is the master rod of the cylinder. My radial engine. Your There is a radial engine which requires a master rod to connect all of these connecting rods. Uh, I'll show you what is the radial engine. Okay, so this I have made. This is the radial engine. Okay, this is the piston. This is the plug, piston pin plug, and there is a piston pin inside it. And this is the master rod, which connects all of the connecting rod. And there is a it works in a it is called radial engine because it rotates and all of the piston works. That's why. Okay, so here this is the master rod. So if you want to draw a master rod drawing 2D, you have to go to the drawing, from design, and create new. And okay, I'm just showing you how what is the Fusion 360 is capable of. I'm going to teach you from the line, from a point to extrude all of the things. Just see the what is the Fusion 360 capable of. Okay, so you can select the orientation from the top view, from the front view, from the right view, from the home view. Home view is the isometric view. Okay, so you can select the scale. This is the front view. I'm going to show you home view. Wait, I'm going to show you the first of all the top view. Hmm. This is the front view of the master rod. You have to click OK, and by only clicking the by only putting one of the design, you can create all the other designs, all the other drawings. Like this is the top view, this is the side view, and this is the orthographic projection. Click escape. Look, all the part is prepared, the drawing is prepared already, and it doesn't take any time. Just it You want a model to be prepared in a 3D sketch, in a 3D model, and the drafting is already done. It doesn't take any time. If you want to design this on a single sheet practically, so it will take around 4 to 5 hours, and you will be tired a lot. This is the dimension. You can also assign the dimensions on the you can also assign the dimension to show on the sheet. Okay, so I'm going to cut this. Don't save. So first of all, when you are going to start what I'm going to teach you is from this plane, the design plane, the design interface, sorry. So you have to first of all select this, create a sketch. By creating a sketch, by clicking on the create the sketch, it will show the planes. Okay, I'm going to change it a little bit. As you can see here, As you can see here, it is the X in the red. So this is the X direction. This is the Z direction, which is in the blue, and this is Y direction, which is in the green. You can it is generally preferred that X, Y, Z and RGB. RGB means red, green and blue. If someone says that draw the sketch in blue and blue and green plane, then it means that you have to create it in this plane, which shows that this is the Z direction and this is the Y direction, which refers that this is the green plane and this is the blue plane. Okay, so I'm going to select this plane, so it will show perpendicular to it. This is the top view of the plane. So the tools is changed. All of the tools are changed as you have got into the sketching mode. So here is this line, uh, rectangle, circle, polyline or curve, mirror tool, dimension. This is the fillet, trim, offset. uh, don't think it's too much. I think it's too much for you, but I'm just giving you an overview, and once you all get you all to know you all get to practice with me, and one by one we'll go all of the tools, so you will learn all of the tools and you will get how to use it, and it won't be a problem in the future. So this is the more tools. Some of the tools which is going to be which we uses oftenly appears here, and the remaining tools are in this list. So these are the tools: line, rectangle, circle, arc, polygon. So this rectangle are the of three types. One is from corner, there, and then another one is from 3 points, and the another one is from the center. All of these three tools have the different uses. As you can see, I am going to create a rectangle from the corners, and I am going to create a 3-point rectangle, and I am going to now create a center rectangle. You can assign the dimensions. There is a 47.58 in the blue headlight highlight. You can you can type directly 50, or if the sketching is too hard, or you have to cut something from the component, like there is a section of 25 and you have on there is a rectangle of a 50 and you have to cut it from the 30, so you can click 50 minus 30 and it will take it. You don't have to do calculation on the calculator differently and put the answer in this box. You can do it on its box itself, and you can divide it also, and you can multiply it also. So I can add plus 20, and once the dimension is given you can change it also. By only double clicking it you can change the dimension, and if you want the dimension from of this line, of this part, so you have to click on the dimension, sketch dimension, or click the D button, click this line, and here is its dimension. If you want to add 39 plus 26 plus 50, enter, it's 115. You don't have to calculate differently on the calculator, and put the answer, you can do it on this interface only. There are much other tools like this is the line. This is the simplest command. You can create a rectangle from its also, but why to waste the time where you can use the direct the rectangle. So if you want to, so this is the I'm making a line. It's showing the angle. It's showing the angle. Look, from the x-axis. And if you want to give the angle, you can give it from here by clicking the tab or it's default on the dimension of the line. So there is a green color symbol is shown. This symbol indicates it's vertically constrained. Look here, showing vertically constrained message. If you don't know what's its meaning, you can see it. You can, if you don't know the symbol's meaning, you can see it here. It's vertically constrained, and which means it won't going to be change. It won't going. There isn't be an angle. Okay. So today I want to just show you about the overview and what is the power of the Fusion 360 and how what it's capable of. Devendra. uh, there will be a attendance sheet which is going to be on your mail. Please fill it up, and I can.
Okay, guys. There will be a link provided in your chat box. Just check it.
Prasad, can you put that link again?
Yeah, yeah. I am putting it.
So everyone, this was just a basic overview of what is the potential of Fusion 360. In the upcoming sessions, we'll be learning about the foundation things like how to design it, how to render it, how to make the best use of Fusion 360. Okay. I guess this might felt you this session was boring, but the thing is, firstly, you have to understand what are the basics of Fusion 360. Unless and until you understand those basics, you can't go ahead. So the link is in the chat box. You can fill up the link, and we'll be putting our WhatsApp group link so that you can join the group, and we'll be giving the further updates on the group. You can follow us on Instagram at GrowWithSkills, and you can Gmail us. You can mail us if you have any queries at growwithskills@gmail.com. All right, thank you very much. Hopefully, everyone has filled the link. Okay, so Sheikh Faisal is asking, sir, जिसके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है और लैपटॉप नहीं है तो currently, if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can just understand everything. You can take notes of it, and after that, when the system is available to you, you can practice. Okay. Hope I'm clear to you, Sheikh Faisal. All right. Have everyone filled up the link that is given in the chat box? Just type yes if you have filled the link. Okay. That will be considered as the attendance, and after that, you'll be getting those certificates and stuff.
So, guys, install the software in your systems so you can parallelly use it with Siddiqui sir.
I'll share this record video of this installation, so it won't be a problem. Okay.
Queries in our Gmail account, or you can DM us. Siddiqui sir will be available everywhere.
Okay then. Devendra Sonule.
Yes, I'm available.
Should I end the meeting?
Yes, you can. Hopefully, everyone has filled the form. Just type yes so that we can know you have filled the link or not. This will be considered as your attendance. Okay, just type yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, Shubham is saying yes. Sanket is saying yes.
We can share this link on the WhatsApp group also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. We'll be sharing this on the WhatsApp group.
Oh,
And
All
make
right.
sure you can follow your friends also. You can tell them also, so they can also join us.
okay then. Thank you everyone for attending this meeting, and further updates will be given to you on the email. So I conclude today's meeting.